Hello everyone, Sam is here from myforexmagicwave.com, making this a small video, quick video about the CAD index. As I showed you this chart in the webinar yesterday, that this was a wave 3 finished here, and we're supposed to come down for wave 4, and we were coming down, and I said we might come down a little bit more before going up for wave 5 again. So this is what happened to this chart is it came down here. This is the one I showed you in the webinar, and this is what I have right now. So it came down exactly where I was expecting it, 38%, and then very close to this channel TL as well, and 5538 is the number that we have here, right? So maybe a little more drop to 50%. And hit the channel TL and this high here and S3 and all of that are possible, but this is the area very critical right there. From somewhere here we're gonna start going up again. If I'm right, we supposedly be going to the upside for wave 5. Okay, now coming down, you can see that what happened to excuse me, CAD pairs, for example. If we go and take a look one by one, for example, USD CAD. Okay, if this start to go up, CAD will get strong, and USD CAD is on the right hand side, so supposedly coming down, right? But this drop made it go up. Let's go take a look. USD CAD is supposed to be going to the upside, retracing, and then ready to come down, so making some sort of short setup. So let's go take a look. If we can watch this. If it goes to the upside again, and those pairs will move, all the pairs that involve CAD. Okay. By the way, okay, well, I'll talk to you about that. Okay, this is what. Let me refresh it. Because I don't want to show you a wrong chart. Right here. 39, yeah, I saw it. Same thing. Okay, refresh. Okay, this is let's go take a look at the 40-minute chart. Is better. Okay, this is 40-minute chart, and we have a nice short setup building up here, right? And got too many things open. My computer is running slow. Even on one MT4, I have indicators and EAs and this and that running, and everything goes slow. But that's how I have to do it. Okay. Anyway, so like you see, the price right now is in between 61% and 78%, touching this EA, which is very, very important. You can see that after this touch here, what happened? Touch here, what happened? So this black line is really important, and you get some really good trade right after touching that. For example, here you can see the same thing happen. Drop this black line right there. It made the turn, right? It made the turn. Big move, right? So this is a big possibility that if we start going up in the wave 5 in CAD index chart, this thing is gonna drop. Okay, so watch for this one. And similarly, and that drop for wave 4 gave you this retracement. That was also very nice to trade, but I didn't do it because I was busy. I had some other trades, Aussie dollar and this and that. But I'm still not gonna touch this one. I'm just giving it to you guys because I already showed it EA yesterday, and I just closed my short and looking for long now. Okay, it is bouncing again because well, I'll talk about that later, but it's bouncing. EA, make sure that above 62.48, if you get a short long setup on 7 minutes, take it. That's Euro Aussie. Okay, so now here USD CAD, this is the setup. It's gonna drop. For example, now we take a look at the CAD yen. That's supposed to go up with the strength in Canadian dollar, right? So that will bounce to the upside. So let's see what CAD yen is giving us. Any nice setup. Then you have pound CAD and euro CAD as well, and Aussie CAD if you're interested. So all of these opportunities right in your hand. 27, 8, okay. Let's see if we have a long setup there. And what happened? What am I waiting for? I don't know. Okay, here you can see beautiful retracement into the wave, and you might be getting a long pretty soon. As soon as that index start to move, all these CAD pairs are gonna move. Okay, usually I don't trade CAD pairs. I mean, not the CAD pairs, but USD CAD basically. I do trade pound CAD, euro CAD, but right now Canadian dollar have a lot of volatility going on because of the trade deal and all that. Otherwise usually it's slow. So this is the area. This 8703 weekly high, and this it is in the between the zone at 61%, 78%. So if that index turns, USD CAD is gonna drop, and this is gonna go up because the CAD is on the left hand side. CAD gets strong, this will bounce and go into the upside. Weekly chart is, we hit the TL, we're dropping, but we might be going for this TL. You never know, right? So these lows here, they are coming there, not there, but yeah. So we broke above the TL, we just came back. 8708 is right there, and if we hold, and if the Canadian dollar start to jump, then yes, we're gonna go to the upside again. So watch for these numbers. Okay, this is the number, and look for the entry. This is 20-minute, and you can start watching. That was 40-minute. That's it. This is a 20-minute. 8708 or 8703 is right there. Why I have 8703 when it says 8708? What is it? 3 or 8? It's 8. 8708. Okay. Oops. See, the 7-minute already started, but you need to set up there. 8708, and now it's 8703. I'm gonna just make it 8708. Look how accurate is this, right? This is how this market is. Very accurate. You just have to look for it. 8708. Okay, so watch this number, and if this number hold, and then you go and take a look at the 7-minute, okay, and you find higher low, nice setup. This indicates all the way down. Take it. It's gonna go up. Okay, so this is CAD yen. Now go take a look at pound CAD and euro CAD. We need bearish setups there. Euro CAD. So let's see. Euro CAD, if we can go down again. It already went down big time, right? And then just now retracing and making a short setup again, probably on a 33-minute or a 40-minute chart. We're supposed to go down all the way there, right? You know that. So now you see CAD yen. What am I talking about? CAD yen. We already finished that. Euro CAD 40-minute chart. I'm gonna show 40-minute chart. Okay, here it is, right? Okay, so look, it is also retracing very nicely, and inside the wave, inside that reversing zone. Let me see. Okay, not even 38%, but it's just a little bit, right, to go up, but it may go, may not, right? So if the CAD index start to move, then what you're gonna see is then a drop from here below 49.14. Look in the 7-minute chart and try to take an entry from there. Euro CAD, if it is already acting on 7-minute, let's go take a look. Okay, yeah, all right. So one more small. I'm not gonna refresh it, but just refresh it and make sure that you take the setup. 7-minute setup below this yellow line, and you will do fine. But make sure that we are bouncing from the CAD index. Okay. Now, last but not least, pound CAD. We need a short setup on a 40 to 33 minute chart. Let's go take a look. See, it's moving, coming down here. Everything is in place. Everything is in place. This is the beauty about the system, is that if you pay attention, if you learn, everything is confirmed. You know what is cooking, and then you pull the trigger by looking at the confirmation in the pairs. Oh, come on, man. I'm gonna do a lot of things. I'm too sleepy. I didn't sleep all night. All right, so it's pulling back from one of the level. What level is that? What level is that? Let's go. Take a look. It's important. It's coming off of a level. White line. Whoops. Okay, here we go. 69.83. Big level. Okay, and 61%. So this is a very, very good setup here. A big straight move to the upside, and that is because of the fourth wave coming down in CAD index. Okay, and obviously pound was getting strong a little bit too, I guess. But if the CAD start to bounce from there and start to go, and then at least what we can expect is the 23% line back to here, this area. Okay, 67.58. So we are at 69.58. A couple of hundred pip to the downside. Very, very important. 40 minute already plays the thing, and then all you gotta do is go refresh your 7 minute chart and look for lower high. Nice setup with the lower high. Whoa, that's already there, right? So I'm gonna go in with this right in front of you, and then I'll show you later on if it's gonna go or not. Okay, so I'm gonna go on the other, but here I'm gonna make an entry just to show you that this is how you could have take this one, but this is better in it. Okay, so don't be afraid. Take the entry, place your SL. So let me show you. I did that, right? Come on, where's the order? Okay, and then I'll put the SL here. 20-25 pip is there. 7 minute chart. You have the SL. There is no need to do that. I mean, usually the rule of thumb is just like that. Well, let me in fact do this. Okay, if it goes up and then take my SL out, then I don't lose much. Maybe 12-15 pip. But this should make the turn right from here and go down. Okay. Oh man. See, this webinar thing, the program, it takes a lot of memory, and then it slows everything down. Okay. Oh, forget it. Leave it there. Maybe 20 pips. Stop. Okay, fine. Thank you. So this is how on the 20 minute it's going to look like. Here we go. Okay, so this is 20 minute, 7 minute entry, but you can say it's a 20 minute entry as well, but it is confirmed 7 minute entry, even though it's a big bullish move, right? It's a lot of people don't know that it's going to drop from there and why. So we have an edge, we have an advantage. Okay, this was the long that I took, remember that? And not that, sorry, pound CAD. Actually, I had a trade from here to the top, but I didn't see it. I closed it today. I had so many here, there, and what I do is that, for example, this one, if it's gonna move a little bit in my favor, I'll come and sit on a break even, and then I kind of forget it. It's like, okay, forget it. I have nothing to lose then. So I go and do my other business, and sometimes what happens is that I even forget that I even open a trade in pound. And then when I go back, I have 100, 150 pip, 200 pip there. So that's beautiful. So you open the trade, you manage it, and you wait. If the momentum is there, within half an hour, you get to break even, right? And then forget about it, and then move on to the other trades. Unless you get a signal that your SL hit, don't even bother looking at it. Let it go. Let it run. You have nothing to lose. Look for other opportunities. And when you don't look at those trades, sometimes they give you big amount of pippage. All right, so this is how this pound CAD. So that's what I want to show you, that CAD index, I'm expecting a turn, and everything else you just saw that it's turning, right? USD CAD, Euro CAD, pound CAD coming down, CAD yen going up, and I'm probably gonna go and take open a trade in CAD yen as well from 7-minute chart. So this is what I wanted to show you. Let me just quickly finish this and then send it out to you guys so you can take advantage of it. Okay, if you're late a little bit and move comes down, 7-minute will always give you an entry, so don't worry about it. Okay, so this is it for now, and I don't know even okay, yeah, sound is good. Okay, so I'm gonna